Welcome everybody from your local alarm system specialist at Advanced Alarms. In this video, we will show you all the basic functions and operations on the DMP Virtual Keypad app. You can use your smartphone or tablet to control most functions of your DMP home security system with this easy-to-use application. Once our installer has completed setting up access, you will need to download the Virtual Keypad app from your phone's app store. This app is compatible with both Android and Apple iOS. When first signing in, you will need to enter in the strong password you created when first setting up Virtual Keypad. This app will remember this password for you and will generally not be asked for it again once you have signed in for the first time. Then accept the terms and conditions. Once signed in, if you have multiple accounts connected to your app, it will ask for your 4-digit user code that is assigned to that specific alarm panel. This code is the same as your 4-digit keypad code. If you use different user codes per location, you will need to use each individual code each time you access separate accounts. Fortunately, the app gives you the option to remember that code, so you only have to do it once by selecting Save User Code. Let's go ahead and sign in. Now that we are in the app, you will see your fully customizable home screen. This screen can be customized to display many different options and functions to be controlled from one easy-to-use location. The primary function of any security system is arming and disarming the system. In the center of the screen, you will see the option to arm or disarm. We see here the options to arm home or away. Arming home only arms your perimeter zones like doors and windows, but bypasses all interior motion detectors, allowing you to freely walk around the premise without tripping the alarm. Arming away arms the entire system, both interior and perimeter. When armed, we can easily see in the center of the screen here that it is armed, and you can feel confident that your location is properly secured. To disarm, simply tap on the shield icon in the center of your screen. You can view the status of each individual zone by clicking on Zone Status to see if the zone is OK or faulted. Here, we can see we have a few faulted zones. The system has already chosen to bypass those zones. If we wish to unbypass them or bypass a normal zone, we can click on the little slider underneath Bypass. And when done, click Apply in the top right corner. If you have multiple systems, here at the top of the screen, you can click on the down arrow to access these accounts and easily switch back and forth between them with a single touch of the screen. The 3 horizontal lines in the top right-hand corner, or the hamburger icon as we call it, opens up the menu bar. This menu bar gives us access to a large variety of menu options. Tapping on the Advanced Alarms logo gives you easy access to our Google Maps location, as well as contact information like our phone number, email, website, and social media accounts. The Systems menu brings us back to the option to switch between multiple accounts if available. The Arming menu returns you back to your original home screen, where you can arm or disarm your system, or view your history or Z-Wave options. History shows us all the events that have taken place, such as when the system was armed or disarmed, and by who, as well as alarms and trouble signals. The Users option allows you to easily view or adjust all users currently allowed access to your security system. You can show or hide codes, and by clicking on the pencil in the top left-hand corner, you can easily add or delete users. The Geofence menu permits your security system to track your location so that once you have traveled inside or outside the predetermined geofence area, the app will inform you about device locations, remind you to arm or activate and deactivate favorites. You can click on the Edit pencil to create new geofences or delete existing ones. When adding a new geofence, you can either enter in a specific address or simply scroll around on the map using the pinch to zoom option to zoom in or out of a specific area. If you scroll to the bottom of the screen, you can turn on your Geofence push notifications. Smart Arming Reminder will remind you to arm the system if you are the last to leave. Favorites Activation notifies you when a favorite has been activated. And Device Enter and Exit will notify you when the selected device has entered or exited the geofenced area. Finally, your Settings option can be selected to manually adjust the overall settings of the Virtual Keypad app. This is where you can adjust your login security and manually change your password or adjust security measures. You can also set up or adjust notifications or turn on the chime for individual zones. It is important to know that notifications such as arming, disarming, and alarms will show up in your phone's notification bar, even when the app has been closed out of, if notifications have been turned on. This is to ensure that you will always receive live, up-to-date information about your DMP security system. As you have now seen, operating your DMP security system just got easier than ever, and even the most daunting of tasks can now be controlled by the simple touch of a screen. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Also click on the little bell icon to receive updates for when we release new instructional how-to videos on your favorite home alarm monitoring system. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you all next time.